Habang tumatagal, ay lalong nadadagdagan ang sakit ni Kris Aquino. Habang patuloy na lumalaban si Kris sa kanyang karamdaman, patuloy naman ang pagdadasal ng kanyang mga fans, at malalapit sa kanya. Matapos ngang isugod si Kris Aquino sa ospital, ay marami ang nalungkot sa sinapit ngayon ni Kris Aquino, at isa nga riyan ang kanyang anak na si Bimby. Hindi na makikita ni Bimby ang kanyang ina. Muling nagbigay ng update ang Queen of All Media na si Kris Aquino, tungkol sa kanyang health condition, partikular na sa kanyang autoimmune diseases. Sa pamamagitan ng kanyang Instagram account, nag-post si Kris ng video, kung saan makikita ang pagpapacheck up niya sa isang ospital kasama ang anak na si Bimby. Ayon sa award-winning TV host actress, sasailalim siya sa preventive isolation sa susunod na 6 na buwan para matutukan ang magiging resulta ng ginagawang mga treatment sa kanya. On purpose matagal akong hindi nag-upload. I have to admit if I told you what was happening, some of you may stop praying, because my autoimmune diseases were increasing in number, and my life-threatening ailments needed me to make a brave choice. Trust me, it's difficult to accept every night when I sleep, that there may be no tomorrow for me, ang pagbabahagi ni Kris. Pagpapatuloy niya, my almost 2-month stay in this private beach property owned by a kind and generous family, who want me to regain my health as well as strengthen my faith in God's merciful healing power, I came to a decision. I have another 6 to 8 hour infusion session in 6 days, it's one of the strongest autoimmune immunosuppressants together with my 2 other. One taken daily, and one given via injection will totally wipe out my immunity. I will be in preventive isolation for 6 months. Sa lahat naman ng mga nagtatanong tungkol sa kanyang mga anak na sina Joshua at Bimby, narito ang tugon ng aktres. Where is Kuya? Since the deaths of his Lola Cory, Lola P, and Tito Noy, seeing me frail, weak, often attached to my IV drip, Kuya is traumatized, visibly shaken, repeating Mama get well, I love you, for now he's living with my genuinely super loving cousin. Ani pa ni Kris, Bim now 18, has sacrificed much to take care of me. He is heaven's gift, my optimistic adult who reminds me I should never surrender. After a few more scheduled tests and treatments, and my recuperation, Bim and I are ready to reveal all and show you everything for the first time. Please continue praying, kailangan na kailangan ko. Kung matutuloy nga ang isolation ni Kris Aquino, hindi muna makikita ni Bimby ang kanyang ina.